Chào mừng các bạn đã quay trở lại kênh giải trí KTT. Hôm nay mình hân hạnh mời được một broker hay chuyên gia tư vấn tài chính từ Bao Real Estate sẽ tham gia cuộc phỏng vấn với KTT, và hy vọng thông qua cuộc phỏng vấn này KTT sẽ giải đáp những thắc mắc của các bạn gửi về KTT những lần gần đây. Mời các bạn tham gia cuộc phỏng vấn của KTT. Mời các bạn theo chân mình. And here with me is Amit. First episode, we're talking about how to buy, selling the house in Australia, and Bao Real Estate helping us to sell not only one house, but able to sold 3 houses in a short period of time. That is wonderful result. So, but today we're talking about the finance. Amit, who are helping us to secure 2 loans. The first loan is the one to help us to buy this house. So this one is also a record result. The reason for that is because of the vendor of this house asking to settle the house less than a month and before the end of this financial year.
And that during the Christmas period.
Yes, so during Christmas period, everything is closed, but he managed to secure to buy this house even before the New Year, just right after the Boxing Day. We settled the house. So thank you very much, and thank you very much again.
That's what we do.
Secure this house, and you guys will see the entire of this house. We have another separate video for on the house in here in Poi Cook.
Yep.
And the second loan, he just helped us to get approval just a few days ago.
That's right.
That one is even more complicated because this time we are trying totally different. We don't buy properties established or second-hand property. This time we buy home loan package.
House and land package. That's right.
Yes, the process much complicated because they require the loan for the land as well as the bills.
Those are the challenging ones because a lot of banks don't have an appetite to actually take on a house and land packages, especially the one that you bought, which was a part of a strata. And then, it kind of is complicated for the banks when it comes to titles and all this kind of stuff. So I shopped around few of the banks. I spoke to a couple of the banks, the business development managers, found the best rate, the best deal for you, and then went forward to actually lodge your application. And thanks to, because you were my old client, so I had all your documents with me. So I was able to assure the banks that what kind of credit history you will have. You are a good sophisticated client because you have dealt with real estate transactions before. And bank was happy to take over your file, and they assessed the deal, and we got the this loan approved very smoothly as well for you.
Again, thank you, Ahmed, for that, because of not many brokers like to accept the deal, especially the home and land package.
Absolutely.
This is a lengthy process because 1 year, 2 years, maybe more. Not many brokers want to take that deal. Why Bao Real Estate come with the business idea that because you are like real estate and you're also doing financing? Because in the market, I don't see any company doing such a thing. Some company doing conveyancing and then they do finance. And then they do some other thing and then do financing.
Yeah.
Like you do like have buyer, seller, and then they have some financing problems. Or they can have, don't get the loan approved because you understand the buyer and the seller situation. What is their difficulty to can get the loan. So that is a very, very great idea. So can you share with us how you come up with that?
In today's world, we all are very time poor. We all have less time on our hand. And when we are especially doing a real estate transaction, we really don't want to work with 2 or 3 different people because, we are running for so many other things. And it's so hard to communicate with everyone, everything. And things sometimes get lost in translation as well. So if we have a client who is dealing with us 2 or 3 times in a year to either buy or sell or whatever, we don't want that client to go to 3 different people to explain the same story. We want them to explain their story to one person, and one person kind of becomes your account manager in our business and helps you throughout the process rather than from starting from the selling. And that was the simple solution we wanted to offer to the market. And you are one of our clients, and there's quite a lot of number of clients joining us now simply because they find it so easy to deal with us on that sense because they don't have to keep going back and forth with multiple people. That was the whole idea. It came out of my own personal problem and we created a solution for the market.
If you need the loan to be approved in a short period of time, less than a month, he's the man as the foreign investor. Right. So if they want to get into Australia market, what should they do, and what advice you can give to those investors so that they can have the high chance success rate to own or to invest property in Australia, especially in Melbourne.
So once you do come here, you automatically get a new a special category visa, which makes you eligible to buy properties in Australia as well. So we can definitely assist case by case and helping you understand how you can apply for certain government schemes as well to buy your first home sooner in Australia as well.
So there are students, foreign students who live and study here. They have the strong finance support from their family. Do you think they are eligible to buy the house or invest the property in here? Because if they own the house here rather than pay the rent, it's better, right? For them.
Sometimes 50%, sometimes 60%, but different lenders have a different lending criteria.
I think 50-60% is good enough for like those from overseas who have
they
strong
can.
financial
Yeah,
support.
certainly
And
they can.
guys, so the doors zone by open. It's a bit smaller, closer, it's harder, but it can be done. With,
Absolutely,
with
everything
Amit,
can be
and
done.
I strongly believe he and his team able to like help anyone to secure their loans. So long
Absolutely.
you meet the criteria.
Absolutely. We can assess on case by case basis. The very first thing would be for you to send inquiry to KDT Entertainment, and they can always pass your inquiry to us. And then we can come back to you and provide you detailed information on your individual case, that how we can assist you, whether you're buying an investment or your first home in Australia.
Thank you all KDT Entertainment channel, and so hopefully through this section you guys have like some ideas how to invest properties in Australia as well as in Melbourne particularly. And Amit and his team willing to help you guys to secure your dream homes. And Amit, thank you for joining us, and hopefully we see you in the future.
Definitely. Thank you once again. Thank you KDT Entertainment for having me again.
Thank you.
Congratulations, you are fantastic, no doubt, no question. Congratulations, you got this, no doubt, no question.
Guys, 4 transaction: buying 24 Safari Drive, then selling 26 Stream Road, Wyndham Vale, selling 1 Salad Way, Wyndham Vale, then selling 24 Safari Drive in Tani. Thanks, guys. Thanks for having.
Look, thank you so much for letting us help you with your real estate journey, and we look forward to helping your other friends and family members as well.
I wish you in the new years a very, very success and prosperous in the future.
Thank you so much,
Thank
Mr.
you.
Kim, for letting us help you with your loan. Thank you,
you.
everyone.